Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite on Android, right? So first of all, we will just go any of the browser here, right? And we will just go to the google.com and here we will write here Fortnite, right? Android and just hit the enter. If you just want to download it over the iOS, then you can just do it with that, right? And here you will find this first option, right? Just click over there. Okay, let it load. Sometimes it's take time. So basically it will ask you to download this Fortnite installer. So if you want, you can download it, right? But if you don't, then it's fine. You can just go to the Epic because this might not be the, appropriate provider, right? Because it says a file might be harmful. So I don't want to download it. I will just go to the Play Store here, right? And once I go to the Play Store here, I will just write here Epic Games, right? And just hit the enter. And once I hear if the Epic Games is available in your country, then you can just go to the Epic Games and you can download it right from there. So guys, here you can see as Epic Games is not available in my country, so I have to download it through from their official website. If you want, you can do it. So after installing it, we have to just open this Epic Games, the application here, and you can say this is the first option which I get, right? And I will just click over here, right? And I will get this option of install, right? So after that you can install it over your phone and you can just play it, right? So this is the way where you can download Fortnite over Android. I hope you found this video really useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.